Hello to everyone and welcome to Adventure Story Marine Engineering videos. First of all, here today I have Alfa Laval freshwater generator. As you can see, there is a panel here, operating panel and diagram page where you can see all the systems exactly and the piping as it is in preview. Okay. First of all, I will open this overboard valve. As you can see, with left click you can open and close. Press left click of the mouse to open and left click to close. Okay, I will open the overboard. Okay, after that I will open injector pumps inlet and outlet, so the seawater will flow from here and going up. Here we have temperature indicator of seawater. This is the vacuum percentage, and here we have evaporating water temperature. This is safety valve here. Okay, I will close the air vent valve here at the top, and then I already have opened the overboard. I will start the injector pump from here, from this panel. Okay, let's start the injector pump. We need to switch the main switch here, and injector pump is working. Let's go to see the diagram. The water passing here, seawater going in condenser, and after going here to evaporating, and also some brine water is sucked from here. As you can see, this is the injector which produce vacuum and also suction some brine from this space. Okay, as you can see, I have closed the air vent here at the top, and the vacuum is going to increase. Okay, after when we reach 90%, we can easy supply jacket water. I will open the valves here, the inlet and outlet, and as you can see, the water of jacket from an engine is passing to evaporator and going back. As you can see, also the temperature increases. Okay, and easy we will have the evaporating procedure. Okay, I will close the bypass. As you can see, the color here already changed. That means evaporation takes place, passing here the mister and going here to condensate. So the vapor here is condensate to water, and water will be sucked from here, from this line, and to be sent to the tank, the freshwater tank. Or if the salinity is high enough, as you can see, the salinity is going down. Easy. It's 16 ppm now. I will set the alarm to 10 ppm, which is acceptable. Let's go back. Okay, now we have evaporating procedure, and we can send our here water to freshwater tank. I will switch on also freshwater pump. As you can see, the salinity is going down. We have now 14 ppm, 12, and this will be reduced more. Let's go to see the diagram what's happening. The water is sucked from here and it's sent to bilge because we have set the alarm 10 ppm. Okay, now as the ppms going lower, okay, the bypass valve is closed and now it's sent to freshwater tank. You see, it depends the set point you have here. Okay, if I set to 4 again, Again, you see the bypass will be open, where I will set the alarm less, and will open and send again to bilge. Okay, the quality of water will be much better if our alarm is set lower and we immediately realize that our ppms are higher, and we take the measurements that need to provide to protect from increased ppm. Okay, as you can see, I set the alarm to 5. It's okay. Even in some engines, jacket water is acceptable with 50 ppm of fluorides. 1 ppm is okay here. Alarm on. That means the alarm will be work. Let's test the alarm. I see the alarm is lit. There is an audio and visual alarm also. Let's set to 5. Okay. And now everything is working. It's very easy. So first of all, you start injector pump seawater, okay, which is the cool one. You never start jacket without injector pump. And first of all, you must be sure that all the valves is open, because you can make damage to your evaporator if there is some valves overboard close. That means if this valve you will close, okay, let's close this valve, you will see the seawater will increase inside and will be pressurized. So what will happen next? The water will be filled until this safety valve work. Let's see it. What will happen? We have also some situations which is not normal operating. We must show also this, because you never know what can be happened. Okay, so you will see now exactly what is happening in the evaporator when that thing is done. As you can see, there is no more fresh water sucked by the pump. That means your pump is working dry. This is also very dangerous for your freshwater pump, because you can damage your pump. And as you can see, the level increased, everything, the place inside is pressed. Also now you can see that seawater is here, and you put in your tank or your bilge will be filled with seawater. And you see now we have opened our safety valve from pressure. Okay, that means maybe you will have 3 major problems. That means your pumps will dry for some time dry. Okay, that means there is no cooling of your pump. Maybe it will damage your pump. Also your bilges will be full, and also maybe you will make hydraulic pressure damage to the evaporator plates and evaporator itself. Okay, let's bring back to normal condition of our evaporator. Okay, let's bring back, that means to open our overboard, and everything must be established to normal working operating conditions. Okay, easy, everything will be returned to the normal operating values. Very important also is to look this side glass, as you can see here, to must be at the middle level. That means that your evaporator is not overfilled. Also here the water which is collects from the mister and drops down by gravity will be collected and be sent overboard. This is very essential that this level must be kept stable. Okay, as you can see, everything is going back in normal condition. And also I can show you something else, that this bypass valve means a lot. As you can see, I open the valve, this is turning to open. Okay, the temperature decrease. That means less jacket water passing through evaporator. This is evaporator, this is the condenser, okay? That means less production of water will be here, okay? As you can see, there is no evaporation at all. As I close the bypass, the water is not flowing this direction, it's flowing this, and we send to evaporator. There is production of water, okay? Because the temperature of water we send is more higher, and the quantity also is more higher, and there is much more production. Okay, let's close more. As you can see, there will increase more production. If you close more and more, it will be the maximum production of your evaporator, okay? There is also some maximum production for each evaporator and each system. But it's better never to use at the maximum. It's better to use at the normal working conditions, okay? There's a lot of educations here. There's a flow meter here which show us how many liters of production we make in this condition. With these settings we make 20 liters per minute. As you can see, if I increase more passing of jacket from evaporator, what will be? Will not increase at all. You see, it's not different, even small adjustment. But if I open, you can see the reduction of production from here, okay? And this is very nice simulator to see how the evaporator will react, okay? This is very important. Okay, let's see what will happen if we will not open injector pump, okay? Let's stop injector pump. Injector pump stopped, and what will happen? There is no water supply. What will happen is that your plates will be boiled and your rubber inside will be damaged, because 80 degrees is the critical point for most of the rubbers. Okay, there's special made rubbers, but this is critical point. This is how it looks like, okay? Only jacket water is passing. This is very dangerous. Also, everything here, if some seawater remains, the seawater will boil and salt will remain between the plates. Okay, let's start again our injector pump, so everything to be normal. Okay, thank you for watching this adventure story. This video, I believe, will help you how to react, how to move, and never hurry up. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.